Hi there and welcome to today's Quentin Carpenter Nature of Flowers Photopea on your iPhone tutorial. Today we're going to make one of these surreal hollow heads with clouds in it. Okay, to do this we're going to do it in Photopea on our phone and I'll talk you through how to do it step by step. So the first thing you need to do is go on the internet and type into the web browser Photopea and it will take you to the Photopea homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you go File, Open. Look in your photo library. I've put them into a little folder, so I click on the face and click Add, and it will load up my face. If I go View, Fit the area, I can have it nice so I can see what I'm doing. And what we need to do here is use the tools, which is the lasso select tool. We need to draw a selection around the face that we're going to make hollow, like so. And once we're going to do that, we're going to go Edit, Cut, and we're going to cut out the face so that we now have a big hole. Then we are going to go to File, Open and Place. Look in our photo library and find the album and our clouds. We're going to add the clouds and we're going to make sure that we have gone to Select and Deselect. We've clicked on the layer menu and we're on the layer with the clouds, and we've gone to the layer menu and rasterized it. We'll then go to the move tool, make sure we've got show transform controls ticked, and then we can stretch the clouds to fill the area of the face. Once we're happy with the size, we'll click to our layers menu here and we will go to layer, arrange, center the back, and that puts the clouds behind the face. We can then move them around to make them exactly how we want them to look. Then we go back to the layer with the face on it, or rather the layer that did have the face. We're going to make it black and white, so we're going to go to Image, and we're going to go to Adjustments, and we're going to go to black and white. We're going to go to OK. We've now got a black and white face, and to create that hollow effect that makes it look like it's a little bit further behind, we're going to add an effect. So we're going to go on that layer, go to the effects menu down the bottom, add a drop shadow. It gives us lots of options of how much see-through we want, how big we want the drop shadow to be, and the distance. We make all the adjustments on here and click OK. And there is our drop shadow to create that effect of the hollow face with clouds. Okay, you can refine this in different ways, add different faces, different pictures behind them. It's quite a nice fun effect to do on a summer's day on your phone if you're down the beach or wherever really. Enjoy the Surreal Hollow Head cloud effect. Okay, if you've enjoyed watching this tutorial, obviously pop along to Quentin Carpenter Nature of Flowers on YouTube and hit that subscribe button. Okay, thanks for watching and have a great day. Okay, bye.